Okay, so when we consider integers, we talk about BODMAS rule, okay, and you know what it is. These are the brackets, and O stands for order or off. So whenever you see order like 10 to the power 5, you will solve this one first, okay, after bracket. Or you will say square root of 2, or it is written 20% of 10, or say 20% of 50 or 40, whatever. You will solve this off first, okay? Because this is just one number, 20% of 40, okay? Then you will do division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. You already know. Sometimes the questions are asked which involve this order of also. So you need to be aware of that. This is something you need to do first before doing division, multiplication, subtraction, addition, etc. Sometimes this BODMAS rule is also known as PEDMAS, where it is actually the same thing. Uh, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponential. And exponential is same thing, 10 to the power 5, 2 to the power 4, like this. Okay? So it is same thing written differently. Brackets called their parentheses, order called their exponents. Now the questions, and you need to be active in chat window. Okay, so tell me the answer here. Okay, correct. Ashrit, Devansh, Tina, Siddhi, correct. It is uh, Akanksha, think again. Sushmita, correct. So because you have two negatives, it means it has to be positive. And there will be questions there also, okay? So understand the logic. If you have even number of negative signs, answer will be positive. If you have even number of negative signs in multiplication, the answer will be positive. So here you have 1, 2, 2 negative signs and 2 is even. It means answer will be positive. And then 5 twos will be 10, and 10 into 36 will be 360. This is how you will do it. You will write it 36 into minus 2 into minus 5, commutative property. And after that, you will write it 36 into 10, 360. Clear? Signs and the value both are important. So even if you have 360 and sign is not correct, answer will be correct. If sign is correct, value not correct, then also you won't get marks. Next, tell me what will be the value of this one. Okay, Devansh, good. Ashrit, count the number of zeros. This is not tough, just tricky. Now look here. It will be actually 28945 into 99. First, you will solve bracket. Okay, BODMAS rule. So minus into minus will give you plus 28945. Now between these two terms, 28945 is common. Why? Because you can write it as 28945 into 99 plus 28945 into 1. Then associative property, distributive basically, not associative. Okay, 28945 99 plus 1, that is 28945 into 100. Tricky but easy if you know what trick you need to apply. Any confusion, let me know. Next, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 225. Samarth, think again. Siddhi, Tina, Akanksha, correct. Ashrit, correct. Yes. Okay. So you have something multiplied with minus 1 and it is minus 225. And remember the rule, if it is negative, it means here you should have odd number of negatives. Even number of negatives when multiplied will give you positive result. You need to remember, if you multiply even number of negatives, you will get positive result. But here you have negative result. It means on left hand side, you should have odd number of negatives. So minus 1 already negative. It means the other one has to be positive. Okay. The other way, you can say it is x multiplied with minus 1 gives you minus 225. X will be minus 225 divided by minus 1. Minus minus got cancelled, 225. Next, what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 8 negative integers and 1 positive integer? I told you the rule. Samarth, try again. Tina, correct. Ashrit, correct. 8 negative integers. Akanksha, correct. Siddhi, correct. Arush, think again. The rule I told you, if you multiply even number of negatives, you will get positive result. So these are even number of negatives. This will give you positive. And you multiply it with another positive. Positive multiplied by positive will give you positive. Okay. The question says you are multiplying One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight negatives with one positive. These eight negatives will give you positive when multiplied because these are even numbers. Eight. Positive multiplied by positive will give you positive. Next, 21 negative integers and 3 positive integers are multiplied together. Siddhi correct. Samar correct. Tina correct. Shrit correct. Devansh correct. Good. So now odd number of negatives. So this will give you negative. Multiplied by 3 positives multiplied will always give you positive. Minus multiplied by plus will give you negative. Akanksha Arush correct. Next, 199 negative integers and 10 positive integers. Siddhi correct. Tina correct. Ashrit correct. Arush correct. Akanksha correct. Samar think again. 199 is odd number, not even number. 199 negative odd numbers will give you negative. Multiplied by 10 positive. Positive will always give you positive. Minus into plus will give you negative. Yes, Sushmita, correct. Next, state which is greater between 8 minus 9 into 10 and 8 minus 9 into 10 without brackets. Tell me the answer. Okay. No, Samar, these are not equal. No, 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 no. Siddhi correct, Arush correct. Tina, no, these are not equal. Ashrit correct. No, Sushmita, these are not equal. Akanksha, no. Good. Now look here. Apply the Bodmer's rule. First, consider this one. You have to consider the brackets first. Brackets, under brackets, you have 8 minus 9 means minus 1. So you will solve brackets first. After that, division, multiplication. There is no division, just multiplication. Minus 1 into 10, minus 10. Now consider the next one. 8 minus 9 into 10. There are no brackets. So move to division, no division. Then multiplication. Yes, multiplication is there. So now you will first do multiplication. So it will be 8 minus 9 tens are 90. 8 minus 90 will give you minus 82. Out of minus 10 and minus 82, minus 10 is greater. This one is greater. Next, out of these two, which one is greater? Okay. Arush, correct. Siddhi, correct. No, Devansh. Ashrit, correct. Samarth, calculation mistake. Akanksha, calculation mistake. Tina, no. Greater, greater. Okay, now look here and practice these. Okay. First, the brackets. First, the bracket. So within this bracket, you actually have this is -2, -5. Okay. -2, -5. Remember, minus afterwards does not have any impact on this one. If there would have been minus here, then it would have been minus into minus plus. But this minus is for 5. It is actually -7 into -6, minus into minus plus 2. Now the second one. Here you have multiplication here first. Okay. This you can't simplify further. It is -6 written in brackets. Okay. Written in brackets because you have to multiply it. So multiplication first. It will be -2 minus into minus plus 5 6 are 30. So it is actually -2 plus 30. That is 30 minus 2, 28. Left hand side is greater. First one is greater. And check the calculation mistakes. There should not be calculation mistakes. If a into -1 is -30, is the integer a positive or negative? No. Arup, Ashrit. Correct. Siddhi, think again. Samarth, Akanksha, correct. Tina, correct. Sushmita, correct. Devansh, correct. Siddhi, now correct. Okay. The result is negative. It means on left hand side, the negative should be odd. If the result is negative, odd number of negatives. So you already have one negative and one is odd. It means A will be positive. Next, if A into -1 is 30, A is integer. A is the integer A positive or negative? Okay. Arush, Ashrit, Samarth, Tina, Siddhi, Devansh, correct. Good. So it is positive in this case, and value of A will be -50, correct. Now verify the following. Verify the following means you have to first consider left hand side and right hand side, both should be equal. Then we can say these are verified. Okay, this equation is verified. First try yourself. Make sure that you are considering correct brackets. You need to start from the innermost brackets and move to outermost bracket. Also tell me the values you are getting on left hand side and right hand side. What value you get? Samarth, check the sign. Arush, correct. Siddhi, recalculate left hand side, right hand side, correct. Samarth, calculate both the sides now. Ashrit, correct. Devansh, calculate right hand side again. Sushmita, check whether you have written RHS correctly or not. Yes, Samarth, now correct. Yes, Sushmita, correct. Okay. So how to solve? You will first solve one bracket. Minus 23 anyway simplified. Okay. So it will be minus 23 in brackets. It is actually minus 5 plus 19. That is minus 23 multiplied with 14. 19 minus 5, 14. Minus into plus minus 23 into 14, 322. So minus 322. Right hand side. In right hand side, first multiplication will be performed here. Minus into minus plus 23 into 5, 115 plus this multiplication now. Minus into minus minus 23 into 19. Okay, so 19 threes are 19 twos are, that is plus 115 minus 437. That is minus 2. Left hand side equal to right hand side, verified. Just check where the mistake was. If your answer was not minus 322 in left hand side or right hand side, check where the mistake was. And rewrite the answer. That part only. Redo that part. Next, which of the following statements are true? For all non-zero integers a and b, a into b is always greater than either a or b. Devansh, Arush, correct. Ina, think again. Ashrit, correct. Samar, think again. Sushmita, correct. Okay. So it says that a into b is greater than a and a into b will be greater than b. Always. Now suppose I have a case -1 into -3, then it's fine. It will be greater than 4. But suppose I have -3 into 1. -3 into 1 will be -3. And -3 is not greater than -3, and -3 is not greater than 1. So this product should be greater than, according to this statement, always greater than either A or B, but it is not greater than any. A is this, B is this. Yes, Ashrit, that would have been, in case of natural numbers, it would have been correct. In this case, it's false because integers can be negative. Integers can be zero as well. Next, the product of a negative and a positive integer may be zero. Samarth, think again. Devansh, correct. Arush, correct. Product of a negative and positive integer cannot be zero because the product of any two numbers can be zero only if any of the numbers is zero, and zero is neither positive nor negative. So 5 into 0 can be 0, but 5 into -5 cannot be 0. So this statement also false. Then next, there does not exist an integer b such that for a greater than 1, a into b equals to b into a equals to b. Think about the examples first and then answer. Remember, all such questions, if you are facing any problem, you will be able to solve with some examples. Consider a few numbers and always consider both negative, both positive, one negative. Okay? So these three will cover all conditions, both negative, both positive, one negative, one positive. Siddhi, if you have given answer to this one, that is correct. Devansh, if this answer to this one correct. Sushmita, correct. Tina, think again. Arush, think again. Samarth, think again. Okay, now give me example for which you say, okay, fine. Your answer I can understand, but give me example now. Or that is not correct example because A is greater than 1. Samarth, 5 into 6 will be 30, not 6. Ashrit, correct. Give me example. Arush is still not correct because 2 into 3 minus 3 will give you minus 6, not minus 3, which is B. That's why I am asking you to tell me the example. Akanksha, which one is A, which one is B? Just give me example as A equals to this one, B equals to this one. That's it. That will be sufficient. Samarth is still not correct. I'll tell you why. However, you are close now. No, Ashrit. Now think. Okay. The only possibility that if A is greater than something, 1, greater than 1. So A can be 2, 3, 4. It is an integer and A is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you multiply it with something, say B, it should be equal to B. It is never possible unless B itself is 0. Okay. Unless B itself is 0. So all the possibilities will be 0 into 2 equals to 0, 0 into 3 equals to 0. All these are the answers which satisfy this condition that A is greater than 1. However, this point says there does not exist an integer B and 0 is an integer. If this question would have been there does not exist a natural number B, then it would have been yes. Okay. I think a few, anyway, even if I said your answer correct or wrong, those who were able to give me the examples, only those answers will be considered as correct. Okay. So in this case, you can write 2 into 0 equals to 0 into 2 equals to 0. A into B equals to B into A equals to B. Now, quite a few correct answers now. Okay. So that's what you need to write. It is not true here, it is false. Yeah. Because we have this one condition. Yeah. So it is false. Next, divide 76 by minus 19. Quickly tell me the answer now, very quickly. Very easy questions. Okay. Ashrit, Arush, Devansh. Good. Next, fill in the blank. Devansh, Tina, Samarth, Ashrit, Siddhi, Arush. Correct. One answer was wrong. Yeah. Yes, correct. All answers correct. Okay. Tell me quickly, fill in the blank. Second. Okay. Siddhi, Devansh, Arush. Hmm. Ashrit, Samarth. Correct. Good. Now, which of the following statements are true? Which of the following statements are true? 0 divided by -7 gives you 0. Okay. Ashrit, Arush, Samarth, Akanksha, Tina, correct. Okay, so it is true. -15 divided by 0 is 0. Ashrit, correct. Samarth, think again. Devansh, correct. Tina, think again. Akanksha, think again. Arush, just say true or false. Okay. It is -15 divided by 0. It is undefined. Denominator can never be 0. Okay. 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Samarth, think again. Ashrit, correct. Siddhi, correct. Tina, think again. Devansh, Akanksha, correct. Sushma, think again. Again, 0 divided by 0. Denominator cannot be 0 in any case. That is false. Undefined, yes. Or correct. If denominator is 0, then it is undefined. It cannot be defined. Mathematically, it is not possible. -8 divided by -2 equals to 4. Okay. Ashrit, Arush, Siddhi, Akanksha, Tina, Shushmita, correct. So it is true. Minus minus will get cancelled. Always write in this fashion so that you don't get confused. True. The value of 12 plus 36 divided by 6 is Ashrit, calculation mistake. Samarth, no. Siddhi, correct. Samarth, follow the BODMAS rule. Arush, correct. Ashrit, now correct. Tina, correct. Akanksha, correct. BODMAS rule says you have to perform division first. Division first. Then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. It means you will solve this one first. 12 plus 36 by 6. And if you are confused, write it like this so that you don't make any mistake. And this is very good trick to ensure that you don't make any mistake in division sign. Wherever you see division sign, convert it to fraction. Okay. Now it is 12 plus 6, that is 18. Yes, Samarth, now correct. Sushmita, it will be 18. Now find the value of this one. Now every answer should be correct. Okay, Ashrit, Siddhi, Tina, correct. Devansh, correct. Samarth, division first, division first. Akanksha, correct. Arush, correct. Write it like 24 plus 15 divided by 3. Always like write it like this so that you don't make the mistakes. It is 24 plus 5, 29. Here it is plus sign, Samarth, not multiplication sign. So after that, you need to add, not multiply. All the signs, pay attention. Now tell me the answer of this one. Ashrit correct. Siddhi correct. No, 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 no. Yes, Ashrit correct. Siddhi correct. Samarth calculation mistake. Tina correct. That is not negative sign. It is division sign. Samarth. Arush correct. Sushmita correct. Samarth correct. Now, so write it 120 minus 20 by 4 means 120 minus 5, 115. Akansha calculation mistake, 120 minus 5 will be 115 and 20 by 4 will be 5, not 4. Now tell me answer of this one. Don't be in hurry. Apply the rules and then give me the answer. Arush, do again. Samarth, do again. Tina, Ashrit, correct. Siddhi, do again. Akanksha, correct. Arush, now correct. That's what I'm saying. Don't be in hurry. Apply the rules, then tell me the answer. Samarth, correct. Sushmita, correct. The rules, you need to first solve brackets. Within brackets, you have 5 minus 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3. That is 3 minus 5 minus 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. That is 3 minus 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now try this one. Any day I can have surprise test. On any day, when you appear for class, I can ask you to solve the test. So be prepared, everyone. Keep practice daily. Keep doing practice daily. Okay, Arush, Ashrit, correct. Tina, check the sign in the second part. Akanksha, correct. Siddhi, do again, step by step. Tina, no. Sign in second step, I said. I didn't say change the sign. Sushmita, correct. Yes, Tina, now correct. And just see why it should be negative, okay? So don't just start these type of questions. First, write them in a specific manner. Okay. First of all, you need to see that brackets are just for showing negative numbers. So it means these are just for reference. You don't need to actually solve these brackets. Then consider division. This is division. So if this is division, write it like plus into minus minus. Okay. 28 divided by 7. So effectively it is minus 40 into minus 1 minus 28 divided by 7. Now you will perform the division. Okay. Division will be minus 28 by 7. This you will write as 28 by 7. And here minus 40 into minus 1 will be plus 40. So 40 minus 7 ones are 7 four. So you are always going to follow the rules. Brackets first. So in this case, there was just this sign. If you consider that as bracket, that minus into plus, this one you had to solve first. Next, apply the rule, solve the brackets first, then division, then other. Ashrit, correct. This is something you can do once you have practice, you can do in mind. These type of calculations you should be able to do in mind. Akanksha, correct. Arush, correct. Tina, correct. Sushmita, check the sign. Samarth, apply the BODMAS rule. Siddhi, Siddhi, check the sign. Sushmita, now correct. Okay. Okay. How you simplify this one? You will write it minus 25 plus 14 divided by, first simplify the brackets, 5 minus 3, 2. Then write it like minus 25 plus 14 divided by 2. Remember, I am always writing it in form of fraction. That ensures that I am not making mistake. That is minus 25 plus 7. 14 divided by 2, 7. Now here, when you have one positive, one negative, the sign will always be of larger one. 25 is larger one negative. And then subtraction, 25 minus 7, 18. Okay. If one is positive, one is negative, it will always be subtraction, but the sign will be of the larger one. Now these type of questions, how you solve. Now these type of questions can appear only if your teacher has done it. Okay. So this bar sometimes will be placed on few numbers, on few operations basically, and this is known as vinculum. This is known as vinculum. So how I'll read it? I'll say 25 minus half of 5 plus 4 minus, in brackets 3 plus 2 minus, and vinculum 1 plus 3. Vinculum 1 plus 3. And what is this? It says that this will be simplified first. It will have highest priority, higher than BODMAS rule. It will have highest priority. Moreover, the catch is that when you do these calculations and this vinculum is only on 1, this negative sign will not be considered in vinculum. So this will be solved as 1 plus 3 equals to 4. You will not solve it as minus 1 plus 3. No. So you will solve it as 25 minus half, 5 plus 4 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3, 4. So this is how vinculum works. Sign will not be considered which is outside vinculum. It means it will be 25 minus half, 5 plus 4 will be 9, minus, this will be 3 plus 2, 5 minus 4, 1. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5 minus 4. That is 25 minus 1 by 2 of 8. That is 25 minus 4 equals to 21. I had already received answers from Arush and Ashrit. At the very beginning, correct answers. So vinculum based questions will be only if your teachers have covered it. Rule is very simple. You will first simplify the vinculum part and you will not consider the sign outside it. That will remain outside it. Another example, and then we will do a few more question on vinculum, one or two. Simplify this one. Arush, correct. Ashwit, correct. Devansh also correct. Tina, you need to try again. Siddhi, correct. Akanksha, you need to try again. Okay. Now the rule is very simple. Okay. Those who couldn't get the answer. Okay. So for example, here I have received answer as minus 21, 23 also, 31 also, and those are wrong answers. The rule is very simple that whenever you see the division, write it like 4 by 2, like this. And then you will get the correct answer. Because there is a possibility that you can multiply these two first. And you might write it like 4 divided by 4, which will be wrong. So the best way is that in the beginning, write it like 4 by 2. Now there is no possibility that you can multiply these two. So it will be 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 15 minus 2 got cancelled 4. That is 36 minus 18 minus 14 minus 11. 36 minus 18 minus 3. 14 minus 11, 3. 36 minus 15, that is 21. Okay. Now this one. Tell me answer very quickly. And you should be able to do these calculations in mind. Harush, correct. Samarth, correct. Tina, correct. Akanksha, try again. Should be correct. Okay. So now solve this part only. 41 minus 41, which will be 0. 41 minus 0 will be 41. It will be 41 minus 41 minus 41 minus 41. Okay. Why? Because it will be actually 41 minus 0. This part is 0. That is 41 minus 41 minus 41 minus 41. 41 minus 0 will be 41. That is 41 minus 41 minus 41 minus 41, again 0. 41 minus 41. 41 minus 41. 41 minus 0, 41. That is 0. Yes, and science class in 5 minutes.